In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make whiteboard animation video in Canva. We'll start from a blank idea and end with a smooth, sketch-style video you can share as an MP4. I'll keep things clear and practical, and I'll point out small choices that make a big difference. First, open Canva and create a new design. Choose a video or whiteboard template, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer full control. Video gives you a timeline and the right aspect ratios for platforms, while whiteboard templates include simple, clean layouts that suit the hand-drawn look. Pick the size that matches where you'll post it, like widescreen for YouTube. Next, head to the sidebar and open the Apps section. Search for the Speed Paint app and open it. This tool creates the hand-drawn sketch effect automatically, so you don't need to animate each stroke manually. Now upload the image you want to be drawn, or select a single element already on your canvas. For best results, use a clear, high-contrast graphic or a transparent PNG. Work one element at a time so the app can trace it cleanly and keep the drawing action focused. Choose your frames per second. 30 FPS is a great default for smooth motion, while a slightly lower FPS gives a softer, more classic whiteboard feel. Then set the sketch duration, which controls how long it takes to draw, and the color fill duration, which controls how quickly color fills in afterward. Longer sketch times give the narration time to breathe, shorter fills keep the reveal snappy. Select a hand style that matches your vibe, like a realistic drawing hand, and pick a background color. White is the classic whiteboard look, but a subtle off-white can be easier on the eyes while keeping that clean aesthetic. Click Animate Image to generate the sketch. Preview the result and tweak FPS or durations if the pacing doesn't match the point you're making. Build your story with multiple scenes by repeating this process for each new part of your video. Add the next element or graphic, run it through Speed Paint, and keep your settings consistent so the style feels cohesive. Short, focus scenes make it easier for viewers to follow along and for you to sync narration later. When all scenes are animated, add your voice-over and align it with the visuals. Match key phrases to the moment a line completes or a fill appears, and adjust duration slightly to tighten timing. Finally, download your video as an MP4 and you're ready to share. Thanks for watching.